Shan, these drinks look really good. Do you
Yeah.
think we should try it?
Yes.
Yes? Namaste, I am Manjula. Welcome to Manjula's kitchen. Today my grandson Shan will be helping me to make pineapple cucumber cooler.
Summer is here and it's getting warm. Just the right time to try making different summer drinks. The pineapple cucumber cooler is a delicious and refreshing treat. My Dati likes to add a hint of lemon, ginger, and mint to most of my drinks, which gives them a nice kick. It's also perfect for quenching your thirst on a hot summer day. To make a pineapple cucumber cooler, we have to use one 20-ounce can of crushed pineapple, one large cucumber peeled and chopped, 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger peeled and chopped, 1 handful of fresh mint leaves, 1 tablespoon of sugar, a pinch of salt, and then 1 cup of cold water. Now we are ready to make the pineapple cucumber cooler, and we have to blend all the ingredients together.
So here we have 120-ounce can of crushed pineapple.
And we have cucumber. Then we have fresh lemon juice. Then we have a pinch of salt. Then we have sugar.
1 tablespoon of sugar.
Then we have ginger.
Yes.
Then we have mint leaves. And then lastly, we have a cup of cold water.
Okay, now cover it.
Okay. Is it ready? Okay.
Shan, let's check it out if all the ingredients are blended together. So let's open it.
Smells good.
Okay, and let's see. Yes, everything looks good.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to strain the mixture using the fine mash.
My Dati always tells me that when my dad was young, he used to love to make fruit drinks for his friends and to his family. So what can I say? Like father, like son.
Okay, so we have strained the drink and it looks really
ready.
good. Do you think so?
Yeah.
Okay,
Now we can.
and let's pour it over the ice. Okay,
Looks good.
looks good.
Yeah.
Okay,
Looks ready.
it's ready. Okay, so can we put maybe
Yeah, put some mint.
some mint over it?
Yeah.
Just to make it okay. Shan, these drinks look really good. Do you
Yeah.
think we should try it?
Yes.
Yes?
Really good.
We hope you enjoy your refreshing drink during all the hot days of summer.
If you enjoyed this recipe, please share it with your friends and family. And if you have not subscribed to my Tati's YouTube channel, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon to receive notifications for our latest recipes.
Enjoy and thank you.